What's the meaning of Brownie Guide? Brownie Guide. Brownie Guide.
Brownie Guide. Brownie Guide. The term Brownie Guide refers to a member of the Brownies, which is a section of the girl guiding organization aimed at girls aged 7 to 10. Brownies participate in various activities and earn badges for skills and achievements. The term comes from the mythical creature known as the brownie, which is said to help with household chores. In modern times, being a brownie guide is seen as a way for girls to develop social skills, gain confidence, and learn practical skills. By participating in brownies, girls can form lasting friendships, learn new things, and develop positive character traits like leadership and teamwork.